In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests in Asana. If you're working with clients, freelancers, or collaborators outside your organization, inviting them as guests is a simple way to keep everyone aligned while maintaining control over access. To begin, log in to your Asana account and open your workspace. Once you're inside, make sure you're in the correct project or team where you want to add a guest. This step is important because guest access is tied directly to the specific project or area you're working in. Next, look over to the left-hand sidebar, where all your projects and teams are listed. Scroll through the options and click on the one you want to share. This will open the main project view, where you can see tasks, updates, and all relevant details. With your project open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll find the Share option there. Click on it and a window will appear, allowing you to invite someone to collaborate. In the input field, enter the email address of the person you want to add. At this stage, it's important to use an external email address if you want the person to be added as a guest. When the email does not match your organization's domain, Asana recognizes the user as a guest instead of a full member. This helps you control access while keeping your workspace organized. After entering the email address, you'll be able to choose the level of access for that guest. Depending on your needs, you can allow them to edit tasks, leave comments, or simply view the project. Selecting the appropriate permission ensures they can contribute effectively without having unnecessary access. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and send the invitation. The person will receive an email with instructions on how to join the project. After they accept, they'll be able to access the shared workspace based on the permissions you assigned. Keep in mind that if you invite someone using an email associated with your organization, they will be added as a regular member instead of a guest. This can affect both their level of access and how your workspace is managed, so it's worth double-checking before sending the invite. And that's all there is to it. Adding guests in Asana is a quick and effective way to collaborate with external partners while keeping your projects organized and secure. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.